Hey there, Jimny crew. This one is just for you. This is our mount system so that you can easily mount quad locks or ram mounts to your Jimny. Now, there is a couple of options with this system. So this is a complete system. You've got the adapter that goes onto the dash. This one has a quad lock on here. You can also replace that with a ram mount. And this one has got the optional handheld UHF holder as well. So they'll go on the dash, you got your handheld UHF there, your quad lock, tablets, whatever you want on there. Now, the way the system works is you can buy this on its own. Now, this is the basic bracket, and it will come with a 8mm bolt, and you will pull out of the dash the standard little plug in there, and that will go straight in. And then you can, whenever you're ready, add your own ram mounts or quad locks to this, and away you go. So that's the first way it comes. Now, you can also buy this ready to go with a ram mount ball, which is this one here. Now, all that does is replace that bolt there. That goes through the front like so, and then that still bolts through to the 8mm mount in your dash. So that will give you, straight out of the gate, a ram mount ready to go. You can buy this singularly, but if you're looking to add extras down the track, you can buy it with that mount bracket. You can also buy it ready to go with two ram mounts like so. So this one will go either on top or underneath, and that'll give you a second ram mount for adjustments. Or if you want to live the best of both worlds, you can have ram mount here and run your quad lock on top like so. Now, the other way that it does come is you can buy that with the UHF adapter. This is available separately as well, so you can build that up when you're ready, and that will hold the UHF in place on your dash like so. Now, the other thing that you can get for these, this is a mic plate adapter. So these two holes here will hold on a magnetic mount, GME mic mount, or any of your universal mounts. So again, if you've got this one in place on your dash and you want this on its own, you can mount that. Where are we? So you can mount that like so. That'll be on your dash. You can also mount it this way, so that kicks under. You'll have your mic there, and your UHF can go on there. So that's one way to do it. Or you can have this with another ram ball mount, which is this one here. You can attach that to the plate like so. Put your mic adapter there. Now what that will do is that will allow you to have a short arm like so, and that'll give you adjustment for your mic plate. So then you can have the mic closer to you, and you can also move it around 360 degrees wherever you want it to go. So that's another option as well. So that is the plate and the ram ball, and you'll need a short arm, something similar to that, to give you the adjustment of where you want to put that. So out of this one little plate, you can have 3 ram mounts. You have 2 ram mounts and a UHF. You could have 1 ram mount, a mic mount connected to your ram mounts there. So you got your mic for your UHF up here. Really, there is a heap of options. So whether you go for the single unit, which is available on the website, or whether you go for the combo set that's available on the website as well, that's really up to you. And then if you really want to get carried away, you can mount something like that off it as well, and that is a large drink holder available from RAM. So RAM have a huge amount of accessories that you can use from this ball system and just mount anything you want. Tablets, phones, whole heap of stuff. So that's our system. I hope that makes sense to you, and yeah, jump online, send us a message on Insta if you've got any questions. Thank you.